Welcome dear students to my channel Miracles of Math. So in today's lecture we will continue with the previous topic, that is arithmetic progression, which comes in sequences and series. And as I mentioned, today we will start with arithmetic mean, that we say simply AM. Arithmetic mean. So what is this AM? What is this arithmetic mean about? Let us first check what is arithmetic mean for two numbers, and then we will see for n numbers. Okay, n arithmetic means. Let us take one small example 2, and let us take one more number as 5. 2 and 5. I want to insert one more number between 2 and 5. I want to insert one more number between 2 and 5 such that all these three numbers will form an AP. All these three numbers will form an AP. Only two numbers cannot form AP. At least there should be three numbers. So between 2 and 5 I need to insert one more number so that all these three should be in arithmetic mean. Let us take that number as x. And we know in arithmetic progression the common differences should be same. So what is x minus 2? The common difference is x minus 2 should be equal to 5 minus x. Yes or no? I am equating the common difference. So bring this x here, x plus x is 2x, it is equal to 5 plus 2, that is 7, so x is equal to 7 by 2. So if we insert 7 by 2 here, so 2 comma 7 by 2 comma 5, this should form an AP. This should form an AP. Carefully check that. What is the difference between 7 by 2 is 3.5. Difference between 2 and 3.5 is 1.5, and 3.5 and 5 is again 1.5. So you can say that these three are forming arithmetic progression, and hence you can say that 3.5, that is 7 by 2, is arithmetic mean of 2 and 5. Is arithmetic mean of 2 and 5. Let us generalize this one to some numbers a and b. So let us take two elements, two general terms a and b. Let us say I am adding c, which is the required arithmetic mean. I want to insert c, which is arithmetic mean of a and b, such that a, c, b are in arithmetic progression. So common difference between these two, c minus a, should be equal to the common difference of these two, that is b minus c. So bring this c here, it is 2c, this a goes here, that becomes a plus b. So c is equal to a plus b by 2. So for a number a and for a number b, the arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2 and b. This follows an arithmetic progression. If you want to check, you can. How? Just find the common difference between these two as well as these two. You will get the same common difference. Insert, or what is the arithmetic mean for the number 10 and 50? What is the arithmetic mean for the numbers 10 and 50? So a plus b by 2, 10 plus 50, 60, 60 by 2 is 30. So carefully observe, 10, 30, 50 will form an arithmetic progression. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. I need one more element in between that which forms it as an AP. Or simply, what is the arithmetic mean of the number 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? So a plus b by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 6 by 2. 5 by 6 is this one by 2, so it gives you 5 by 12. Let us check that for your convenience. Let us check once whether it is correct or wrong. So arithmetic mean of a and b will be a plus b by 2. So that's what we are going to find here. So the progression now will be 1 by 2, 5 by 12 and 1 by 3. Yes or no? So what do? You just try to find the difference between these two, 5 by 12 minus 1 by 2, and check whether this is equal to the difference of 1 by 3 minus 5 by 12. So LCM will be 12, 5 minus, this is 6 times, so it is minus 1 by 12. Am I correct? 5 by 12 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 12. And here also LCM is 12, 12, 3 1s, 3 4s, 4 minus 5, it is again minus 1 by 12. Yes, so you can say that the common difference is equal. That means all these three will form an AP. 5 by 12 is the arithmetic mean of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Clear? This is about arithmetic mean of two numbers. But now the actual concept for arithmetic mean is not just inserting one arithmetic mean. What I'll do now, I want to insert n numbers between two numbers. I have a number 1, I have a number 2, I want to add 4 more numbers such that all those 6 elements, now the complete 6 elements will form an arithmetic progression. That is where the actual arithmetic mean will be useful. Okay, so let us generalize this one. So, inserting n arithmetic means between two numbers a and b. There are n arithmetic means between a and b. So, what is the meaning of that? Number a is there, next some element is there, next some element is there, total n elements are there in between them, and then we have the last element is b, and all these are following arithmetic progression. What are the number of elements, can you tell me? Number of elements, it is not n anymore, the number of elements are n plus 2 because n terms are here, plus 1 term is here and plus 1 term. So, the total number of terms is n plus 2 terms. This is where many of you will do mistake even after several practice problems. The total number of terms are not this one. N is n arithmetic means in this question. N means n arithmetic question, arithmetic means. So, n plus 2 will be the total number of elements. Correct. N plus 2 will be the total number of elements. So, B is the n plus 2th element. Is it correct? B is n plus 2th element. So, if you want to find n plus 2th element, Tn plus 2, n plus 2th element, what is the formula for that? A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. What is n minus 1? N is number of elements in the complete progression. What are the number of elements we are having here? It is not n anymore, it is n plus 2. It is n plus 2. So, that's the reason I am saying this is the only mistake you do. In place of n plus 2, you substitute n and done. You will do mistake. So, it is a plus n plus 2 minus 1 is n plus 1 into D, which is equal to the last term, that is B. Which is equal to the last term, that is B. Yes or no? So, from here, can you find common difference? Can you find common difference? So, tell me what is that? N plus 1 into D is equal to B minus A, and D is equal to B minus A by n plus 1. So, this is the common difference of this arithmetic progression. Common difference of this arithmetic progression. I will erase this one and I will tell you once again what we have done till now. We are finding an arithmetic progression where we have A, then n arithmetic means, and we are having the number B. There are total n arithmetic means and the total number of elements are n plus 2. For this progression, we derive that common difference is B minus A by n plus 1. B minus A by n plus 1. So, now what we'll do, this is A. What is the next element, can you tell me? Next element is A plus D. Just the common difference will be added to that. So, the second term is T2, which is A plus D. The second term is A plus D. Yes or no? So, it is A plus what is D? D is this common difference. B minus A by n plus 1. B minus A by n plus 1. What is T3? That is the third term here, which is A plus 2D. Remember, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so it is A plus 2 times of what is D? D is B minus A by n plus 1. What is this T2? T2 is nothing but the first arithmetic mean, which I am representing with capital A1. Arithmetic means are represented with capital letters. So, A1, the first arithmetic mean is A plus B minus A by n plus 1. We will see some examples, you will understand better. This is A2. So, in that way, you need to find An. Okay, you need to find An. So, see here. When you have 1 here, it is 1 times of B minus A by n plus 1. You have 2 here, it is 2 times. You have n here, it will be n times a plus n times of b minus a by n plus 1. Very simple. A plus n times of b minus a by n plus 1. So a n, we have the formula as a plus n times of b minus a by n plus 1. I will give a small example and then you'll understand better what is this arithmetic means all about. The question is between 1 and 2, insert four numbers such that all these 6 numbers will form an arithmetic progression. Or the question can be like this: insert 4 arithmetic means between 1 and 2. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 1 and 2. So what we can do? We have a common difference, we have a formula. 1, A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. Okay, so you have formula. So what is common difference? D is equal to B minus A. What is B? The last term. 2 minus 1, 1 by n plus 1. What is n? N is not the total number of elements here. N represents number of arithmetic means. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 4 plus 1. So the common difference will be 1 by 5. The common difference will be 1 by 5. So if you want A1 is A plus D, or you can even substitute here. Okay, whatever it is. A plus D. What is A? 1 plus 1 by 5, it is 6 by 5. A2 is A plus 2D. So 1 plus 2 times of 1 by 5, so it is 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 5, that is the second arithmetic progression. In the same way, if you go for A3, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, it will be 8 by 5 and A4 will be 9 by 5. So the final answer is 1, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5 and the number 2. So all these 6 numbers will form an arithmetic progression. And these 4 are the n arithmetic means. That are the 4 arithmetic means inserted between 1 and 2. So I hope you understood arithmetic mean concept. So with this, we'll stop this lecture.